Whoa! Look at this spiky, super cool character. Hello, 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 super learners. Today, we are going to draw and color Sprunki 100. Did you know? Sprunki 100 is 10 groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Wow! Let's start drawing. First, draw a big rectangle for the main body. Top line, right side, bottom line, left side. Perfect. Our main body is ready. Now inside the rectangle, draw 10 vertical lines going down. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 lines down. Perfect. Now draw 10 horizontal lines going across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We have 100 blocks. Great job, artists. Time for a quick stretch break. Stretch your arms up high and wiggle your fingers. Awesome. Now let's keep drawing. Now let's draw the head. Draw one round circle on top of the body. Nice and round, just like that. Our head is ready. Now let's draw the eyes. Inside the head, draw 2 big round eyes. Now add the eye details, the pupils, and a tiny shiny dot in each eye. Look at those big, curious eyes. Now draw the spikes on top of the head. 1 spike, 2 spikes, 3 spikes, 4 spikes, 5 spikes. So spiky and cool. Let's take a quiet focus moment. Shh! Now draw a nice curved smile. What a friendly face! Now draw the hands on both sides. Left hand and right hand. On the right hand, draw a little watch. Now the legs at the bottom. 2 short legs ready to stand. Looking great! And finally, at the very top, write the number 100. 100. Now let's do our power countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our drawing is complete. Hello, everyone. I am Sprunki 100. I am made of 100 colorful blocks.
Coloring time. Pick up the black color. Spell black with me. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color the eye pupils black. Perfect. Now pick up dark red. Spell dark red. D-A-R-K-R-E-D. Dark red. Color the head dark red. Color the spikes dark red. Color the smile dark red. Color the hands dark red. And the legs dark red. Beautiful. Now pick up yellow. Spell yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Color the watch yellow. Shiny and bright. Minigame time. Let's find the color. Can you point to the color red on your palette? Yes, that's the one we use next. Now pick up red. Spell red. R-E-D. Red. Color all the blocks of the main body red. 1 block, 2 blocks, all the way to 100. Done! Amazing job, super learners! Today you met a brand new friend, Sprunki 100. Sprunki is super spiky, super strong, and made of 100 tiny blocks. We drew a big rectangle, added 10 vertical and 10 horizontal lines, drew a round head, big curious eyes, 5 cool spikes, a happy smile, hands, a shiny watch, and legs. And we colored Sprunki with black, dark red, yellow, and red. Sprunki says, "Thank you for drawing with me today. You are a superstar artist." If you enjoyed this, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a Sprunki adventure. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.